Morning, everyone. So today we'll start with a topic that is building bylaws. First of all, we have to understand what are building bylaws, why we are applying building bylaws for particular type of building or particular type of area. Just for example, we have different state in India and they have their local bylaws that we are followed as per their rules, regulations. So the topic is very vast and we have to understand about the building bylaws and how they can apply for the particular type of building. So, what are building bylaws? Building bylaws are nothing but the bylaws. But the bylaws is a local law framed by the subordinate authority. So the local law of different area as per their state, as per their criteria of town planning, the rules and regulation framed by the town planning authorities, basically, uh, that covering the requirement of building, ensuring the safety of public through open spaces, minimum size of room and height, and area limitations. We have some criteria how to design the building with some setback, with some zoning as per their requirement and about the ground coverage. So we have some framed points that we have to follow while we design or while the time of the planning any building or we can say any town. So the basic of building bylaws, that is the standards and specifications designed to grant minimum safeguard to the worker during construction, to the health and comfort of the user, and to provide enough safety to the public in general. After that, the rules and regulations which largely regulate the rules and regulations which largely regulate the building activity should be formulated to get disciplined growth of building and the better planned development of the cities, we can say. And why we are following building bylaws in any particular area, in any particular town of different state having different authorities. So it will be beneficial for the town planner, for the architect, how to design with some rules and regulation. That rules and regulation will be beneficial for the users, or it also will be comfortable to make building becomes easier. And after that, the pre-planning of building activity. So, allow orderly growth and prevent haphazard development. That's why we are following building bylaws. And provision of bylaws usually afford safety against fire, noise, health, and hazard and structural failure. Basically, we have to apply that standards, or we can say norms, in terms of different chapters like fire, noise, health, hazard, and structural failure. We have different laws uh, uh, as per their need in a particular building, and provide proper utilization of space to achieve maximum efficiency in planning. So again, it is very beneficial in terms of town planning. So as per the bylaws, when we plan any town, any area, with the help of zoning, with the help of zoning, we can say the rules, the regulations, the standards, the norms. that we have to follow. It will be beneficial for any town planning scheme success. Then we have okay. Next we have the areas according to their need. So we have two types of areas in particular, we can say city, or we can say the first one is the urban area, that is the city or town. We can say the town has already framed their own laws as per their local authority, and the second one is the rural areas, in which we apply the town planning scheme as per the area, having lesser land value. Obviously, for rural area we have lesser land value, and for urban area we have the higher land value. So according to that, higher land value have we have to frame the bylaws, just because की जो आपके जो आपके वेकेंट स्पेसेस हैं वो आपकी वेस्ट ना हो, उनका प्रॉपर यूज कैसे हो सकता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ जोनिंग, with the help of proper town planning schemes, proper guidelines of that particular zone. And the town planning scheme control the uses of lands, the roads, and the spaces. So the next one is the difference between the following terms. The following terms are, that is standards, norms, regulations, bylaws. So the basic difference between these different terms are, the standards are the fixed, the standards are already framed, that are fixed, like it can't be changed as per the situation. But the norms are an authority standard. Authoritative standards means the local area having their own local authority, and the standards are framed by that proper authority only. And after that, the regulation and order prescribe. Regulation can be changed as per the situation, the needs, the demand of the people in a particular town or a particular building, or for particular building, you can say. And the last one is the bylaws. As per the previous point, the definition of bylaws is, the law of the local authority is known as bylaws. The law, rules, regulations that we have to follow as per their local law by the local authority of particular town or city, we can say. These rules of state or community are terms as laws.